Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com. After that you can see this is search button, just click on it. Then enter the model number of motherboard and then hit enter. Then click on the product. Then this is your motherboard, just click on it. Then click on support. This is your motherboard. Then select your operating system, which is using Windows 10 11. So both operating system installations process same. So first guys, download one by one, then I show you how to install. So this is audio driver. You can see audio driver and click to download. Slow down. Chipset. So this is require Intel driver and serial driver. So both one by one download. Then LAN driver. LAN driver, internet driver, ethernet driver. You can see, just download it. And VGA. Graphic driver, VGA driver and display driver, monitor driver. You can see, just download it. Then WLANs, Bluetooth driver and Wi-Fi driver, click to download. So it is start downloading in the download box, and just click on this icon where it is downloading. You can see this, open this folder and it will complete, or then I show you how to install. So this is your driver. Okay, so one by one, just extract first. So right click and show more, extract all. Okay, and same locations. If you have two other locations, so you can browse and change it, otherwise you just click to extract. It is completed. So after complete it will open, so just close it. Then LAN driver, so right click, show more, and click on extract all. Then same location, same close. Then chipset driver, extract all, same location. So one by one extract the all. Then last Realtek audio. Okay, this is extracted. So this 5 data is extracted. So first open one, just select the right click, run as administrator. Then click on yes. Now this is extracting to your system. So you can see this is Intel SD graphic driver. So might be it will take some time to install. Okay, because this is heavy file, heavy driver. So wait few seconds and will automatically close it. So means this is installed and then close it. Again go to this folder. So this one completed. Then this LAN driver. Then LAN driver. Open one by one, download and just open and double click and then click on yes. Now you can see this is first extract. Real Ethernet control device. Then next. Now this is installing driver. And then okay. And then finish it. Then back. Then serial means chipset driver. So find out setup. Just right click to run as administrator. Then click on yes. Then finish next to install. Okay. This is INF update. So this is also for same for chipset. So just this is setup chipset. Just right click to run as administrator. Then click on yes. Then next accept installed. And then okay. Then last one. And this is pending, graphic card pending. So graphic card, just select right click and run as administrator. Okay. Now you can see this is installing. And it is closed, then done. So you can guys one by one install, find out setup. So this is setup exe, right click, then run as administrator, and then yes. Now you can see this is installing. Then next. And no, and finish. After you install the all driver, after that restart your system.